Hey guys, so we're back with another video. I know it's been a while, but we're going to install a frontal wig on my client. So I already put the wig on and glued it down, so now I'm going to cut off the lace. And you want to cut it as close as possible to the hairline. Like I always say, is cut it as close as possible because you do not want to have extra lace just hanging on. This look is for those who want an extra natural look. You don't want too much baby hairs, but you don't want to look weird in the front. You know how that look gets. So yeah, if you want the natural look with just a little bit of baby hair, this is the look for you.